In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shared calendar ICS URL to your Google Calendar. Whether you're coordinating family events, syncing with a team, or simply want to keep track of multiple schedules, integrating calendars can make life much easier. Let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Google Calendar. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials to access your calendar. Once you're in, focus on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll see a section labeled Other Calendars. This is where we can add new calendars without cluttering your main one. Now direct your attention to the small plus sign next to Other Calendars. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with several options for adding new calendars. What you want to do next is select from URL from this list. This option allows you to input a web address of the calendar you'd like to include in your Google Calendar setup. At this point, you need the ICS URL of the shared calendar you wish to add. An ICS URL is a link through which calendar applications can subscribe to events. You might receive this link from a colleague, family member, or another source that provides a calendar you need access to. Once you've retrieved the ICS URL, go ahead and paste it into the provided field on the Google Calendar page. After pasting the URL, you're almost there. All that's left to do is to click the Add Calendar button. By doing so, you're instructing Google Calendar to subscribe to the events contained in that URL. After a moment, you'll see this shared calendar appear within your Google Calendar, listed under the Other Calendars segment. It should now display all the events and updates included in the shared ICS link. Whether it's keeping tabs on project deadlines or staying in sync with your family schedules, adding a shared calendar can make managing your time more effective. Remember, this doesn't import events into your primary calendar. Instead, it just lets you view them alongside your existing events, enabling you to toggle them on or off as needed with a simple checkmark next to the calendar name. If you followed along to this point, then congratulations, you've successfully added a shared calendar ICS URL to Google Calendar. Hopefully this step-by-step guide has made the process simple and understandable. Keep exploring Google Calendar's features for even more ways to streamline your scheduling needs. Thanks for watching, and as always, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tech guides.